Dear students of class 12 prose chapter 2, today our topic is paragraph number 5 from the chapter The Fellow Traveler, that is written by A.G. Gardner. This lecture will be in English medium. Let's begin paragraph number 5. Students, you have gone through the story The Fellow Traveler, in which you came to know that a mosquito started disturbing the writer and he got very irritated, and then he realized something and he take some new decisions. Now we will come to know what does the writer do now and what does he realize. In paragraph number 5, I have already given this paragraph number 5, and the title of this paragraph is Spiritual Message. When the writer got irritated and he tried to kill the mosquito, he was not able to kill. It means he failed. Now he realized after it was all in vain. When the writer failed in all his attempt to kill the mosquito and all his efforts were in vain, vain means went useless, he realized that he played with me. Me means the writer, he the mosquito. He thought that that mosquito was enjoying with the writer, he was playing with the writer. Openly and ostentatiously, he was challenging the writer openly without any hesitation, and ostentatiously means he was making a show that he was bolder than the writer, like a skillful matador. Matador is a person who shows the red rag to the bull, and the bull gets infuriated and began to run. It means the mosquito was irritating the writer and the writer was playing the part of a bull, finessing around an infuriated bull. Finessing means in angry mood, infuriated in angry mood, finessing with intense agitation. The bull runs on seeing the red rag. Here in this line you can see the matador refers to the writer, matador refers to the mosquito and infuriated bull refers to the writer. It was obvious that he was enjoying himself. It means the irritated creature was the writer, but mosquito was enjoying. That it was for this that he had disturbed my repose, and he was enjoying to disturb the writer. Repose means peace, because the mosquito was trying to steal the peace, trying to disturb the peace of the writer, and for this he was enjoying a lot. He wanted a little sport. He refers to the mosquito, means mosquito wanted to play with the writer a little. And what sort? Like being chased by a huge lumbering windmill. Lumbering windmill means a huge fan that you may have seen it on the roadside, which have big wings, and just like a fan it rotates to create energy. Here lumbering windmill means of big size, means the writer was of a huge size creature in comparison to the mosquito, and the mosquito was enjoying with the writer, who tasted so good and seemed so helpless and so stupid. Means it was very strange to see that a creature of huge body, that a creature of huge and big power was helpless before such a powerless insect known as vaguely mosquito. I began to enter into the spirit, means when the writer wasn't able to kill the mosquito, he tried to enter the spirit of the mosquito. Enter into the spirit of mosquito means he began to realize the reality of mosquito's life and the spirituality of life and the miracle of life. He was no longer a mere insect, means mosquito was not only an insect for the writer now, it was developing into a personality. He was developing into a personality means the mosquito was gaining a prestige before the writer, and an intelligence means mosquito has his or mosquito has its own thinking and philosophy of life. And because of being a mortal, because of being a creature, a living being, that mosquito challenged the possessions means rights of the compartment with me means the writer on equal terms. Means the writer realized that the mosquito was also a creature, and that creature has its own intelligence and his own rights. That's why he was able to challenge the possession of the compartment in equal terms means equally, as the writer wanted to take his rights. I felt my heart warming towards him. Heart warming means not hitting up the worm, not hitting up the heart, but the writer was feeling good emotions for the mosquito. And the sense of superiority fading, it means the writer stopped thinking superior about himself. How could I feel superior to a creature who was manifestly my master? Now the writer is thinking that he has no right to think himself superior in comparison to other creatures, because the mosquito was also giving equal fight to him. And in the only competition in which we had ever engaged, and in this competition the mosquito was also equal to the writer. Why not be magnanimous again? Magnanimous means the writer wanted to be polite again, polite and merciful again. Magnanimity and mercy were the noblest attributes of man. Magnanimity means softness, mercy means kindness, are the two good qualities of man. In the exercise of these high qualities means if man applies all these qualities, he could recover his prestige, means he could regain his honor that he lost before the mosquito. At present, I could reassert the moral dignity of man. The writer tried to be superior in form of a man, because he has the ability of reasoning. That's why by using his reasoning he tried to be magnanimous and superior to the mosquito. So he decided to go back to my corner, means to his corner, with honor, with respect, and withdraw the sentence of death. And he decided to cancel the intention to kill the mosquito. I said, returning to my seat. It means when the writer was returning to his seat, he decided not to kill him. And he also said, I can't kill you, but can reprieve you, I do it. And the writer says that I will not kill you, but I give you pardon and I will leave you. Now the students, it was the spiritual message that the writer got after the struggle with the mosquito, and we will go through the rest of the chapter in next video. Thanks.